Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa ating topic, February 2, 2026. Gretchen Barreto tinupad wish ng yumaong ina, muling nakasama si Claudine. Personal na nagpunta si Gretchen Barreto sa burol ng kanyang inang si Estrella, Inday, Barreto. Kahapon, February 1, dumalaw ang aktres sa burol ni Mommy Inday sa The Heritage Park sa Taguig City kung saan nakasama niya ang mga kapatid na sina Claudine at Joaquin, JJ, Barreto. Makikita ang litrato ng magkakapatid na kuha sa harap ng kabaong ng kanilang namayapang ina na ipinost ni JJ sa social media. Aniya sa caption, "I love you both so much. Mom is smiling in heaven. Wish come true for Mom. Thank you Lord." Ni-repost ni Claudine sa kanyang sariling social media accounts ang naturang photo na may caption na, "Mommy we're all here. We love you." Sumakabilang buhay si Mommy Inday noong January 29 sa edad na 89. 7 ang anak ni Mommy Inday at nang yumao na rin niyang asawa na si Miguel Barreto, sina Gretchen, Claudine, JJ, Michelle, Gia, Marjorie at si Mito na pumanaw naman noong September 2025. Open book naman sa publiko ang naging hidwaan noon ni Gretchen at Mommy Inday na kalaunan ay nagkaayos din. Nagkaroon din ng sama ng loob noon sina Gretchen at Claudine. Noong April 2013, naglabas ng open letter si Mommy Inday para kay Gretchen matapos nitong tawaging evil si Claudine. Sabi ni Mommy Inday kay Gretchen, "For the longest time now and all these years you did nothing but make it your favorite pastime to play with the lives of my family, the family you are ashamed to own, in spite of the fact that I brought you all up well, humble and human. You have attacked, accused, maligned and tried to destroy each and every one of us in the eyes of society, starting from your father, I your mother, and each and every one of your siblings including their partners. People ask and some who do not know any better, might believe that maybe we're cruel parents, neglectful and remiss in our duties to you. Only, you, alone. Because no one else is complaining about their childhood. How easy for me to have explained my side, but how can a mother defend herself without destroying a child of hers no matter that she is evil? I am letting go of a child now who never wanted me in order to save one who has always been there for all, and with all of her love, Claudine." October 2013, naglabas naman ng pahayag si Gretchen para sa kanyang ina, "As far as I can remember, she would instruct us, her children, that we are to say that her family comes from a rich family, Hacienderes, in Iloilo. She also told people that she was in buying and selling of houses. I challenge her now to produce facts to support these claims," aniya pa. Tinawag din niyang, narcissistic, ang ina, "despite the fact that my specific earnings went to help support the family, Inday demeans the source of that income that supported her, by insulting me as a woman, labeling me as an T-Queen, as a point of comparison with the label of teleserye queen, for my sister, Claudine." At makalipas nga ang ilang taon, nakapag-usap ang mag-ina sa burol ni Miguel Barreto, noong October 16, 2019. Nag-post pa si Gretchen sa Instagram ng video nilang mag-ina. Mababasa sa caption, "This was a lovely, precious moment. It was about forgiveness, love at a promise to protect our newfound mother-daughter relationship. It was a great opportunity to mend all the nasty words thrown to each other. It was a dream come true for me to finally hear the words 'I love you' from my mother, something I thought I would never hear till the last breath of my last day. Words are not enough to express the feeling and the blessing." Bago magkaayos ang mag-ina, nauna nang nagkabati ang mag-sister na sina Gretchen at Claudine. "Our deepest condolences to Barreto family, praying hands emoji." At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed, magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.